Here's what 1 cup of whole milk does to your blood sugar. FYI, this is Kroger brand vitamin D milk. This has 150 calories per 8 ounces, 8 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and total sugars is 12 grams, 0 added sugars. So I'm very curious of how this will affect my blood sugar. I'm using the Stello glucose monitor. I have that right here. And we'll check back in 2 hours. Awesome, guys. All right, so it's been 2 hours and I'm in my Stello app, and it looks like at the time I had this milk, which I was fasted, I was at 105 milligrams per deciliter, and 2 hours later I'm at 103 milligrams per deciliter. So it went down 2 points. It seems like there's a little bit of a jump in the middle, and you can see that right here, and it looks like I get as high as 106, 7, not much, but yeah, this is interesting to me. I was worried about milk having the sugars in it and maybe it possibly spiking it up. I am on a keto diet, so I want to keep that as low as possible, and I love milk, so I'm very happy about the results, and I'll be continuing to drink milk in my diet. So this is nice. Make sure you comment any requests for activities or foods for me to eat so I can show you guys the results. And subscribe to see results that other people request. I'll be very excited to show the results and to keep all this stuff in mind, as I want to make sure that I stay away from foods that spike my glucose. Awesome, guys. Thanks.